In today's video, we're going to look at how you can delete columns in Excel. So we've got some data here. It's employees' names, the department that those employees are in, and the join date. So that's when they join the business. Now, let's say I don't want the information about which department they're in. And what I can do to get rid of this information quickly and easily is just click on the column where that data is, right click and delete, and then you'll see the join date column has just moved one over to the left, and our table is looking neat, and we've got rid of the department data. Now I'm just going to go back with Control Z. I can do this same process to delete multiple columns. The only difference is I just need to highlight both of the columns that I want to delete, or however many columns it is that I want to delete. So just like that, and then I can just right click and delete, and again they'll disappear just like that, and we're now left with just our 2 columns of data. I'm just going to go back once more. Something else to point out is that there is a keyboard shortcut for this as well, and to delete columns with a keyboard shortcut you just need to select the column that you want to delete, and then you can do Control minus, and then the column will disappear just like that. And again, you can do this across multiple columns as well. So just like that, and now we're just left with 2 columns having deleted those 2. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.